If your X.com or Twitter feed feels stuck, repetitive, or just not showing you the content you want anymore, this video is going to help. Today, I'm showing you how to reset the X.com or Twitter algorithm using a few simple steps that can refresh what the platform thinks you want to see. This is especially useful if your For You feed has drifted, your search history is cluttered, or your browser data is causing old behavior to stick around. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X.com or the Twitter app in your browser and look at the top right of the screen. You should see the search bar there. Click into the search area so you can access your recent activity. Once the search panel opens, look for the section that says Recent Searches. Next to it, you'll see an option that says Clear All. Click Clear All to instantly wipe your recent searches. This is an important first step because your search history helps influence the recommendations and suggestions you see on the platform. By clearing it, you're removing a big part of the old signal that may be shaping your feed. After that, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This matters because stored browser data can keep old session information, preferences, and tracking data active even when you think you've changed things. To do this on most browsers, press Ctrl Shift and Delete at the same time. That shortcut will open the Clear Browsing Data menu. In that menu, make sure you select the option to clear cached images and files, as well as cookies and other site data. Be careful to review the time range before you delete anything. If you want the most complete reset, choose the option that clears data from all time. Once those boxes are selected, confirm the action and let your browser finish the cleanup. After the cache and cookies are cleared, sign back into X if needed and refresh the page. At this point, the platform should begin to rebuild your recommendations based on your current activity instead of your old browsing history. To help speed up that reset, start engaging with the kinds of posts, accounts, and topics you actually want to see. Search for the creators, news sources, hobbies, and communities that match your real interests. Like, reply, follow, and spend more time on the content you want the algorithm to learn from. At the same time, avoid interacting with content you don't want to see anymore because every click is a signal. If you keep liking or opening the wrong type of posts, the algorithm will keep feeding you more of them. So the key is to clear out the old history, remove stale browser data, and then consistently train the feed in a new direction. That is the fastest way to reset your X.com or Twitter algorithm and get a cleaner, more relevant experience. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because I post simple tech guides just like this all the time. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.